Bro, after literally 5 months, the Surron's finally rideable. Oh, it's so nice to have this thing back, dude. We got forks fully fixed up from Bike Den. The rear brake bled from Bike Den. Dude, I'm getting coated with mud. But, dude, this thing's finally rideable. It's so nice. A little bit of rain recently. Try to keep my mouth closed over dirt so I don't get mud in it. Oh, this looks crazy. Oh, shit. If you're up there, I'll get them here. I'm not gonna bother them. Yeah, turn that around so I'm not bothering them. Just rip up here instead. Finally back on the bike, and I gotta say, after not riding for 6 months, 5 months, this thing feels so fast. Like, this thing feels criminally fast. Whoa. And we're trying out a bit of a new mic setup, moving the location of it to hopefully get better audio. Oh no. I'm not gonna be able to make it through that. It's too thick. It's just gonna coat me. But damn. Alright, we'll go up to the top. I kinda like those rims. They're kinda sweet. This truck's going 0 miles an hour, but it's all good. Yeah, I don't know why this guy's going so slow, man. Come on, brother. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, on 50%, and this thing is still ridiculous. I haven't charged it to 100 yet. But once I do, it'll be so crazy. But it's nice to have some traction on the rear. I'm used to supermotos, so a bit of an upgrade. Let's do this route. And I need to fix that wire. I don't like how that hangs out like that. Boom. Bro, the front fork is like so stiff. It's back to how it was when I first got it. So, if your fork was clapped like mine was, because I've had it for a couple of years and I crashed pretty bad and it messed it up, but I definitely recommend getting them rebuilt. And Bullhouse did it. It wasn't very quick, just because they had so many bikes on the line. But yeah, it wasn't super quick because they had a bunch of bikes to do, but they did a great job. Fork feels good. I think out the door I was paying roughly like $300 for brake bleed and the fork rebuild. So not too bad at all, especially for what you're getting out of it. Literally rejuvenated my forks. My bike feels so good now. But a lot of things have been happening recently. Altus decided to drop a new bike, a little pit bike. And that thing, honestly, if I were to buy a bike right now, it would be that and an Ultra B are the two best bikes. They're completely different bikes, but those two I like the most. Yeah. And it seems like everything just keeps getting more and more rolled, to be honest. Yeah, dude, you just kind of got to avoid the street. But yeah, as long as you're avoiding the streets and you're not being stupid, depending on where you live, you should be good. Where I live, there's kind of enough dirt and enough paths to avoid the street almost entirely. Yeah, but this thing is just so fast. That's kind of the first impression getting back on it, is just how much power it actually has. Whether you're on-road, off-road, doesn't even matter. It's just so much power. 18 kilowatts is ridiculous. But I'm really excited to see all the new bikes coming in 2026. I heard a lot of rumors about, I don't know, 2026 apparently might be better than 2025, and we got some pretty sick bikes. But I really want an Ultra B so bad. But this thing I think would be faster than a 2025 Ultra B just because it's like 100 pounds lighter. But the Ultra would fit me a lot better just because I'm a little taller. Yeah, and that's like maybe quarter throttle. Nah, maybe half. But it looks like we get to ride into the sunset today. Oh, that's so sick. Yeah, I'm trying to lock in with the YouTube some more so I can get an Ultra B, but might be a little while. But it's honestly all good. I'm just so excited to have my bike again. Honestly, the whole time my bike was broken, I was like, I need a new bike. I just needed to fix this one, bro. It's just nice to have a bike. And I'm not saying have a bike, like this is a pretty crazy bike, but just happy to get it on two wheels again. And the one thing that Surrons kind of do right is if you have a Surron and you have a car, like a Surron, it's just a different feeling than a car. Like if you have a fast car, if you have a sports car, if you have like even a Lambo, it's just a different feeling. You're just like, you're in way more control on this than a Lambo. This doesn't have the sound that a Lambo does, though. But yeah. But I kind of love everything like that, like cars, bikes, whatever. And bikes still hold a nice spot. Like to this day, like the most skill, like you need the most skill to ride a bike over drive like a fast car. A bike like this or a motorcycle, like it's gonna be way more skill demanding than driving a car. Unless you're doing something crazy with the car. But it's hard to do something crazy with a car. There's no like wheelie equivalent to driving a car, other than drifting is kind of close, but it's still not the same. But bikes are nice because you can just go out and you can just get better. Oh, let's go, dude. That was sick.
I like the Surron.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I like your bike, dude.
Thanks. What Surron is this?
It's like a 2023, but it's got 18 kilowatts.
Oh, it's sick. Can I try it real quick?
I'm sorry, bro. I don't let anybody try it. Here.
Dang, you've got hella.
My bike's just been broken for like 6 months, so I'm finally able to ride again.
Making the video right now?
I am. I finally got my bike back.
Let me be in it.
You want to be in the video?
Yeah.
All right, what do you want to say?
Can you get a clip of me doing combos?
Is my camera on?
No.
No?
It's not red. There, now it's on.
All right, bet.
I'm gonna go up here.
Bet. Oh! You got that, dude. Nice. See ya. Super chill. Yeah, I saw him doing a wheelie, so had to stop by. Hopefully my mic's good, because that kind of determines whether or not I post this. Yeah, it's kind of hard, like when you're not wearing a full motorcycle helmet, to get good audio. Just nice to have a bike again. Yeah, this thing's ridiculous. Even with dirt tires, it's still pretty good. What's nice is I got the regen brake, so no brake pads. No needing to bleed my brake super often like I used to. But yeah, it's been fun to get back on the bike. Oh, they got the truck out. Uh-oh. I'm gonna be the trail police. Let's keep on going this way. But yeah, as I was saying, super nice to get back on the bike. Shout out to Volt House for getting my bike done. I really appreciate it. They're not sponsored or anything, but I think if you're in SoCal and you need bike work done, like I've never been done dirty by Volt House. Bike done, I've had the light brake, like, I don't know, I've had some stuff happen to bike done. Like my key got stolen one time at bike done, and they're like, well, we gotta replace your locks. I was like, what, bro, what? But yeah, if you need bike work done, I'd hit up Volt House. They did a great job with my stuff. It's great to be back on the bike. And catch everybody in the next one.